there's the one guy here that, you know, there was a lot of typing that was involved because it had to go out for all of the scripting and all of this stuff, and nobody ever thanks the guy that actually had to sit out there and do all of that typing.
I did all the typing for all the invitations. I'm so glad. Keep those hands up because I need 2 or 3 volunteers on this. Can I pick you to volunteer? Oh, this way, lady. There she goes. What's your name?
Carolyn.
Carolyn. You must be very busy during Christmas time, huh? No, I want 3 of them. Because if you buy 2, you get 1 free. You are. You're Jerry, too. Here's the glasses. Go ahead. Do the thing. Look, the 2 Jerrys. That works very nice. That was good. Don't do it again. That's a lady because she's a lady, Dean. That's the one. You know what? He's non-union. Excuse him. Can't bring him anywhere. And what's your name?
I'm Mary Beth.
You're my Beth?
Mary Beth.
Mary Beth. This is, well, pleasure to have you, too. Now, Bachelorette number 1. What was the strangest place? Oh, no, this is the wrong show. Now, you guys remember what a typewriter is, right? So you just follow me, ladies. This is lots of recording. 1. Ready? Look, she's already ready. I had an itch. Oh, you're doing wonderful. Wherever you want to go, lady, it's not even real. Ready? Oh, look at those finger works. Very good. Excuse me for 1 second. Please continue. May I borrow this? Could you get that in the toss the salad a little bit? It's very good. Work with her, Dino. She loves it. Let's have a round of applause. They were wonderful. Oh, boy. That's how you toss a salad.
Oh, boo.